Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to use a Web 2.0 tool called Bubble Us to create a mind map. To get to Bubble Us, come up here to your address bar and type in bubbl.us and hit enter, and that will bring you to this page. When you get to this page, they're going to ask you to create a username and a password and sign in, but you don't need to do that. Just click Start Brainstorming. When you get to Start Brainstorming, they will show you your first bubble, which is right here. To add more bubbles, you hold down your Control key, and with your left mouse click, you click and you get another bubble. So I'm going to start by putting 15 bubbles on my mind map. Control click, Control click, Control click, Control click, Control click. They go all over the place, and I'm just about ready to organize them. Not sure if I have 15, but I have enough to start. In my center bubble, I'm going to write the topic of my paper, which is winter, because that is my favorite season. When I hover over the white, click on the white, I'm out of that bubble. When I hover over that bubble, I get to edit my bubble. Because this is the main topic of my paragraph, I'm going to increase the size of my bubble. Then I'm going to think of the three main ideas I want to write about in winter. The first one I want to write about is snow sports. The second one I want to write about is our New Year's party. And the third one I want to write about is the weather, because unlike other people, I like the winter weather. To make these bubbles connect to winter, I'm just going to hover, click, grab it, drag it over winter, and when I see that orange halo over winter, that means these two are going to connect. So I can let go of my click, and now they're connected. I'm going to grab this one and connect it, and I'm going to grab this one, connect it. Those are my three main ideas that I'm going to be writing about. Now I can move these around any way I want. I think I'll do it like this. If I click and drag on the white, I can grab my entire map. Okay, now think about, what do I like about the New Year's party? Well, I like our friends who come over. I like the music that we have. And I like the fireworks. These are just the three main things that I like. So I'm going to grab these and connect them. Oopsie, that one. I made a mistake, so I'm going to click on this connector and I'm going to delete it. Works. I'm going to grab fireworks and connect it. And I'm going to grab music and connect it. Now these are all connected and they're all green. And I kind of don't like that they're all green, because this is my main paragraph idea and these are supporting ideas. So I'm going to change that to, no, not yellow, how about pink? And that's how you change your colors. If when you go to change the colors, you click on this little T, then you're changing the color of your text. You probably don't want to do that. And since this is my main paragraph idea, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to grab my page and pull it down and talk about what I like with the weather. Now, as you can see, I have my main paper idea. I have my three paragraph ideas. New Year's, weather, make that a little bigger. going to drag it, and snow sports. I can go even further and decide which two things I'm going to say about early sunsets, which two things I'm going to say about the cold, and which two things I'm going to say about the snow. In the early sunsets, I'm going to say I like the pink reflecting off the snow. And I also like early bedtimes because I'm a mom, and in the summer when the sun doesn't go down till 10 o'clock, it's hard to get the kids to bed. So I like the early bedtimes. And I can change these colors as well. I think I'll change this one to blue. So you can get the basic idea here. When you're all done, and I can zoom this up bigger, I can zoom it down smaller. When you're all done here, you will see your main idea, your 3 paragraph topics, 2 or 3 pink balloons that are the details you're going to talk about in your paragraph, and at least 2 elaborations for each detail. So I would like you now to create an idea web that looks like this. You don't have to have 3 pink bubbles. You could just have 2. Get rid of this one. But I would like you to have 3 green bubbles, 2 pink bubbles, and 2 blue bubbles connected to each pink bubble. And that will be your mind map from which we will make your outline. Okay, that's all for now.